video, I'll be showing the construction happening at Oshodi for the Lagos Redline rail project. Most people seems not to know that there will be a train station here in Oshodi, as Oshodi is one of the busiest places on the Redline corridor. Similarly to what's happening on other stations along the corridor, construction is ongoing on the platform here in Oshodi. The situation in Oshodi just seems to be different from other stations for the Red Line because no new building will be constructed for the station here in Oshodi. The Oshodi Interchange Terminal 3 building will be used for the train station. Therefore, the Terminal 3 building will be used for both the BRT buses and the train. The building already has all the amenities needed for a train station. The only thing is to link the train platform to the building, which is what is presently ongoing here in Oshodi.